Hello guys, good morning. So today we are going to be talking about an important thing that I have observed over the past few months both on my LinkedIn platform as well as on my Twitter platform. So since I'm a business analyst, you guys know that I am sharing research on various businesses, right? I talk about their business model, I talk about the earnings result, the con call transcripts, and I then talk about the capacity expansion plans of so many companies, correct? So I cover so many sectors together. But what I've seen is people come up to me and like send me DMs. कभी कभार ऐसे DM आते हैं और where the people tell me कि like, oh, since you have said about that stock, I have added that to my portfolio, right? Or I have subtracted that from my portfolio. So basically, the first thing is कि like, don't do such activities. First of all, I am not a SEBI registered advisor that you're just going to take the name of a stock that I say on social media and you're going to buy it. Okay, now there are many problems with that. So I see most of the people who come in touch with me and say कि like, okay, I bought this stock and it is not going up. मैंने ऐसे भी रिव्यूज देखा कि लोगों ने बोला कि like you talked so many good things about this stock and I bought it and उसके बाद से the stock is down 10% in the next 1 month. Why is it so? What's happening? Are you correct or like are you wrong? Okay. The point is this. If you have no idea why you bought a stock in the first place and you just bought it, say for example, by listening to an influencer or by listening to somebody whom you say admire as well. But if you yourself don't know what you own, you won't be able to hold that stock for a long period of time, even though the business is great. I'll give you a simple example. So say for example, I come on social media and I talk about great things about a business. Let's say unka Q4 numbers are great, management is doing amazing work, the outlook is superb, company can grow at 25% CAGR. But and then let's say ये सुनने के बाद you buy that stock. Okay, but the problem is the stock market will not agree with this philosophy every day. So this is something that people have to understand, that only in the long run will a stock price reflect the true fundamentals of a particular company. So what happens is, if let's say somebody says some great things about a stock, many people do that on social media na, when let's say results come out, and of course with their best intent they give out their views on a company, right? But it doesn't mean that the market has to agree with that view on each and every day. So क्या होता है, even though a company like अच्छा result करते हैं, let's say the stock is down 10% for the next one month for many reasons. It can be because say maybe some mutual fund manager sold it, maybe there has been some big block deal, maybe because the promoter has been selling that stock because he needs money to run his own family, right? There can be so many reasons to sell a stock, right? I just gave you 2-3 reasons, correct? So, or it can be more or less like an illiquid stock. So, कितना कुछ हो सकता है. But the thing is, what happens is कि like, it can be any reason जिसके वजह से वो stock 10% गिरा. But since you had listened to an influencer and you bought that stock and the stock is down 10%, मतलब your capital is down 10%, you absolutely lose your shit, right? और इससे क्या होता है ना, you then have you then lose track of what's happening. You lose your shit in a way that you can't even like go chase the influencer. First point. Second is like you don't know what to do, right? Third is there is anxiety. There are people who even take money from their father and mother and their partners and put money like this. And when those stocks go down, their BP level go up, right? So this is not what investing is. If you are investing like this, listening to others and trying to build a portfolio here and there, shortcut ले रहे हो, so कुछ नहीं होने वाला है. Your BP level is going to go up, your anxiety level is going to go up, and your money is going to come down. Let me tell you this. And the market is brutal. Because see, I'll tell you one thing, like what is the definition of risk? Warren Buffett says, risk is the concept when you don't know what you're doing. Okay, so most people I see in the market, like people who come to me like, and can like ask like, okay fine, आप बताओ कि कौन सा स्टॉक लेना है, क्या करना है. कल भी जब मैंने कोई 2-3 कंपनीज के बारे में पूछा, immediately मेरे को DMs आता है कि like, should I buy? I mean, that shouldn't be the first thing on your mind, like should I buy or should I sell? The first thing should be for you to understand the business, right? अगर मैंने कोई कंपनी के बारे में लिखा तो उसको पढ़ो और समझो कि मैं किस एंगल से बातें कर रहा हूँ. Then you can go back to the investor presentation, read the con call transcript, because see, all the information that I'm telling you today on Twitter and on LinkedIn, they are all there on social media. So it's not like मेरे पास कोई insider information है. So don't get into this feel ke like, okay, I get up every morning, I look into like what ABCD are buying, EFGH are selling, which promoter is buying, which promoter is selling, which bada fund manager is doing what. Because tomorrow that fund manager will sell the stock and he will not be obliged to tell you what he's doing. Now here comes the next aspect. Suppose एक fund manager has a great stock today, ठीक है, आपने उस stock को ले लिया. it doesn't mean that the stock will remain great forever. How? Because सोचिए, एक business reality के साथ बदलता रहता है, correct? There are some mediocre businesses that will become great in future. There will be some great businesses today that will become mediocre in future. So मतलब क्या, पहला situation में the stock will go up, the second situation में the stock will go down, right? So we have to take decisions as per what is happening with the business fundamentals. Got it? It's like saying कि like raising a kid के तरह. It's like raising a kid. So says for example, when the kid is behaving well, scored the highest marks in maths in school, you give a chocolate to that kid as a reward. And say for example, versus the kid like beat up some other kid and came back home and say failed in maths, you can beat up that kid. I mean, of course, you can't beat kids, you can't beat anybody actually, but just hypothetically समझिए, at least you would punish him, you would lock him in his room and you would say like, okay, no video games and iPad for the next 1 week, correct? So your behavior changes accordingly. So here a business is like a kid. So if you are, say for example, just buy a stock, let's say आज कोई fund manager का portfolio देख के, right? But then the next quarter result में, let's say the company did very badly. Let's say sales go down, profits go down, right? Company loses its operating leverage. Okay, management, becomes dicey about the outlook, right? Or the management reduces the growth guidance, right? तो इसके बाद क्या होगा? That fund manager will sell the stock because he is into the game, right? Full time. You are not. You are probably in a 9 to 5 का job and you just think like, okay, उसने ले लिया तो मेरे तो पैसा बन जाएगा. And then 3 months down the line, you see the stock 50% down from your buying price. Then you would want to check like what is there with that fund manager. The problem now here is this. After that kind of a situation, you would later find out, after you have lost your money, that the fund manager had sold the stock way back. But that is the thing, right? You never asked him, you didn't know him in person to buy that stock, correct? So when he sold the stock, he had no obligation to like come and tell you and like in person because he doesn't even know you, correct? So please understand the problem here. Like don't ask anybody for stock recommendations. Because see, if I come to my situation, I try to teach you business analysis. You see my tweets, you see my LinkedIn posts, and every post I put up has got something to do with the fundamentals of a business. I don't talk charts, I don't talk promoter holding, I don't talk stock split, I don't talk bonus issue and all that things. Because ये सब चीजें है आपका financial engineering. Okay, ultimately you are going to make a lot of money in the stock market if your company's का EPS का growth रहे. Right? If the company can grow its EPS, it will make money irrespective of a bonus split, dividend दिया कि नहीं दिया, ये किया कि नहीं, वो किया कि नहीं, कोई फंड मैनेजर ने लिया या नहीं लिया. None of all these things matter. All you have to do is you have to completely put all your focus behind the business. क्योंकि अगर बिजनेस का टॉप लाइन बढ़ता गया, बॉटम लाइन बढ़ता गया, एंड लेट्स से द बिजनेस इज ग्रोइंग EPS at 20-25%, you are going to make a lot of money in that stock, even though you see, like for example, say that the promoter is selling that stock. It doesn't matter. Okay, so I see most people on Twitter getting entangled in all these things rather than focusing on the main thing. So understand the business model, the robustness of the product, the uniqueness of the product. वो पोर्टर का 5 फोर्सेस होता है ना, वो पोर्टर का 5 फोर्सेस को आप थोड़ा पढ़िए, देखिए कि बिजनेस मॉडल पोर्टर का 5 फोर्सेस में कंपटीशन, सप्लायर, बायर के एंगल से कहाँ पे है, देन कैलकुलेट द ROE नंबर, डू अ 2 पॉइंट एनालिसिस ऑन द ROE नंबर एंड सी के लाइक मार्जिन का बिजनेस है, मार्जिन मतलब अगर मार्जिन हाई है तो एक अच्छा ब्रांडेड बिजनेस होगा. अगर ये टर्नओवर का बिजनेस है, अगर एसेट टर्नओवर इज हाई, दैट मींस यू नो ओके ये वॉल्यूम का एक प्ले है, मे बी इट्स अ कमोडिटाइज्ड बिजनेस, राइट? सो ऐसे करके एक बिजनेस को समझिए, और इफ you understand that the business is good now, you will make a lot of money. So just focus on the business, read the investor presentation on a quarter basis. You are always free to discuss business with me. Okay, I am never saying that you can never come and not discuss business, but ऐसे फूंग फांग से सवाल होता है ना कि आके सर shall I buy, अब इसका मैं क्या रिप्लाई दूं ट्विटर में आपको? यू टेल मी दिस, सर shall I buy, I hold 50 shares of this at this price, shall I sell? अब इसका कोई कॉन्वर्सेशन नहीं होता, इसलिए I don't respond to all these kind of things, right? You must have seen that all the people you send me queries like this, but ask me about a business. If you have read about that business, deal with it and then ask me some doubts, right? You will see मैं आपको इतना बड़ा मैसेजेस का रिप्लाई करूंगा. So on that note, I hope you have understood this. The crux is that you should not just go and look for a buy or sell recommendation. Shortcut लेना बंद करो लाइफ में, स्टॉक मार्केट आपको पूरा खत्म कर देगा. I am telling you this, and I have seen so many people in the last 7-8 years of my journey, right? ऐसे मार्केट में आते हैं, FNO करते हैं, ट्रेडिंग करते हैं, ऐसे सब शॉर्टकट ढूंढने आते हैं, and then they go naked in the market. So I hope this video added sense to you.